You've touched it thousands of times, but you've never seen the insane process behind making it.
Prismacraft Source Forest, an endless supply of sustainable cedar and basswood, responsibly harvested for generations to come.
Every color begins the same way, as raw pigment, pressure, and heat. This is Prismacraft.
Inside the Prismacraft facility, humidity control is paramount. Ensure the wood reaches optimal moisture content before crafting.
Now the color core needs a home. Prismacraft uses premium incense cedar, trusted by pencil makers for over a century. CNC machines carve precise grooves into each wooden slat. The color core is placed inside. A second slat is pressed on top. Under hydraulic pressure, industrial adhesive bonds everything together. 2 pieces of wood, 1 color core, 1 pencil.
We need exactly 500 grams for this order.
Confirmed. The cobalt batch is ready for sealing.
3 ingredients, 1 formula: pigment, wax, and clay, measured to the gram every single batch. Under thousands of pounds of force, the mixture is pushed through a precision die, a continuous rod of color, perfectly round every time.
The blue is scanning at delta E.05.
Acceptable range. We can certify this batch.
Incense cedar, straight grain, clean sharpening, the same wood trusted by pencil makers for over a century. Six cutting heads, 1 pass, the hexagonal profile, carved in seconds.
Look at the flow rate visualization here. We're getting near perfect coverage on the facets. Yes, the adjustments we made yesterday paid off.
The temperature is holding steady at 180. Good, the gloss finish looks perfect.
Every pencil is individually scanned. Every pigment is carefully checked. Anything that falls short of Prismacraft's standards is rejected before shipment. sorted by color families, arranged with absolute precision. Then packed into Prismacraft's signature sets, 12, 36, 72, or 150 colors, carefully sealed and shipped to artists in more than 60 countries worldwide. From raw pigment to a perfectly finished pencil, the journey takes 72 hours. But the value it creates can last a lifetime. This is Prismacraft, where color is not created by chance. It is crafted through engineering, precision, and the pursuit of perfection. Massive scale production. Inside the world's biggest factories,